In this short tutorial, we're going to show you how you can take any library within a BRAVOZONE and share it with other users within your organization. I'm going to go ahead and go to My Content. And all I need to do is open any platform. It could be Quiz Show, it could be Spark. I'm going to choose the top one here, Quiz Show, Edit, go to Questions, and I'm going to go to Select Library. And I'm going to choose the library I'm going to share with others. And we'll come down here, I'm going to choose the 12 lead. Now within this 12 lead library, I have 3 additional folders. So if I share the 12 lead, and it's right up here in the title, library, I will also share these 3 folders. I'm going to go ahead with this library selected, choose share. Now it's going to look for users within my organization, and I'm going to choose a few people. Once done, I'm going to submit. And I will get a pop-up telling me it was a success. Now all those users have to do is open up any platform within the BRAVOZONE, go under Select Library, and they will now see that 12 lead. Well, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next training more engaging. Take care.